How much should you actually spend on a vacuum cleaner for cat litter? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's interesting to see how the right choice can make all the difference. Product number 1, Bissell CleanView Swivel. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum caught my eye with its bright green design and promise of tackling pet hair with ease, all at a price of $119.99. If you want a reliable vacuum that can handle cat litter and pet hair without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The CleanView features a triple-action brush roll designed specifically for pet hair, loosening and lifting dirt from carpets and hard floors alike. This means it can grab those pesky litter clumps as well as your cat's fur, making cleanup much easier. Plus, its swivel steering allows you to navigate around furniture with ease, so you won't be limited to just open spaces. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 103,000 reviews, it's clear that many users trust it to get the job done. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it can be a bit cumbersome for extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for power and performance, a little extra weight might not be a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic choice for anyone looking for effective pet cleanup. This is perfect for you if you're a pet owner who wants a strong vacuum at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you're seeking something ultra lightweight or only cleans small areas. At this price point, you're getting a lot of value for your money. Now, if that extra weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Uesogi Cordless Vacuum. The Uesogi Cordless Vacuum really stands out with its sleek red design and impressive features at $129.98. If you want the freedom of movement without the hassle of cords, this is definitely worth considering. What makes this vacuum a great option? For starters, it boasts a powerful 650W motor with a suction capacity that reaches up to 55 kPa. This means it can easily grab cat litter and stubborn pet hair from both carpets and hard surfaces. Plus, the 70-minute battery life allows for thorough cleaning without interruptions, so you won't be running out of power halfway through. The V-shaped anti-tangle brush is a game changer, actively preventing hair wrap, which is a must for any pet owner. With a 4.7-star rating from 1,200 reviews, this one is gaining traction among buyers. However, some users pointed out that it can be a bit difficult to maneuver in tight spaces due to its bulkier head. But honestly, if you're dealing with larger areas or have multiple rooms to clean, that might not be an issue for you. This vacuum is perfect if you love the idea of a cordless solution that can tackle tough messes. Skip this option if you need something compact for tight corners. Considering the battery life and suction power, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are looking for affordability without sacrificing quality. Product number 3, KARDV Cordless Vacuum. Next up is the KARDV Cordless Vacuum, priced at just $89.99, which caught my attention for its budget-friendly appeal without skimping on features. If you want an effective cleaner that won't break the bank, this is worth a look. The KARDV vacuum packs a punch with a 500W motor and a suction power of 40 kPa in max mode. Plus, with a runtime of 60 minutes, it's perfect for cleaning larger spaces without having to stop to recharge. The V-shaped anti-tangle flexible floor brush is great for pets since it fights hair wrap, and the smart LED display makes it easy to monitor cleaning modes and battery. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 3,600 reviews, it's a popular choice among budget-conscious pet owners. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with a little extra maintenance, this vacuum provides excellent value for its price. This is perfect if you're looking for an economical choice that still delivers solid performance. Skip this one if you prefer larger dust bins or longer runtimes. With its price and features, it's a steal. Now, if you're looking for something even lighter and more flexible, wait till you see the next product on the list. Product number 4, Vacusion Cordless Vacuum. The Vacusion Cordless Vacuum is another interesting pick at $84.99. I was drawn to its lightweight design and ease of use. If you want effortless cleaning, this might be just what you need. What sets this vacuum apart? It features a 7.8-inch brush head and 3 suction modes, making it versatile for tackling both pet hair and litter. It weighs significantly less, so you won't feel fatigued after cleaning. The powerful 5-stage filtration system captures 99.97% of dust down to 0.3 microns, ensuring the air stays clean as you vacuum. Plus, the LED headlights illuminate dark corners so you won't miss any hidden messes. The feedback has been great, with a 4.4-star rating from 653 users. However, some customers noted that the battery life can drop significantly in max mode. I'll be real with you, if you often clean larger areas or have multiple pets, you may find this a bit frustrating. This vacuum is perfect if you want something lightweight and easy to use for quick cleanups. Skip this one if you need extended run times at maximum power. With its features and price, it offers great convenience. Now, if you're after something that's ultra-compact, the next one is a fantastic little option. Product number 5, Bissell Featherweight Stick. Finally, we have the Bissell 2030 3M Featherweight Stick Vacuum, priced at just $34.99. This caught my eye for its affordability and functionality. If you need a quick and easy solution for cat litter, this is worth considering. This vacuum is lightweight, weighing in at less than 4 pounds, and converts easily from a stick vacuum to a handheld one. With a bagless design, emptying is a breeze, and the 15-foot power cord gives you plenty of reach without the hassle of a battery. It holds a strong 4.4-star rating with over 111,000 reviews, showing it's a favorite for many. However, some users mentioned that it lacks the same suction power for heavy-duty cleaning. Here's the thing though, for quick cleanups and light messes, it does the job very well. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss vacuum for light cleaning or if you're on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need something for deep cleaning or larger messes. For its price, it's an excellent buy. In summary, we've covered some great options. The Bissell CleanView for power, the Uasogi for cordless convenience, the KARDV for budget-friendly performance, the Vacusion for lightweight flexibility, and the Bissell Featherweight for quick pickups. Each has its strengths, so consider your needs before making a choice. So there you have it. We explored 5 fantastic vacuum cleaners for cat litter, each tailored to different needs and budgets. Whether you prioritize power, cordless convenience, or light cleaning, there's a perfect fit waiting for you. Happy cleaning!